Hello students, today we will learn how to connect my R program with MySQL server. So to start with, I will start my R studio. So here I'll go to my R studio and and it is getting started. So I'll start my script. You can start with an even new file. Just go here new and start your script. So once you have started, then you can start writing code. So code should always be kept in a curly brackets, means as a block. It will be executed as a block. So I'll create connection. So first of all, I'll write my program. So how to connect our program our program to MySQL server to MySQL server database. So to start with, first of all, I'll create my connection. So mycon is a variable which I will be using to connect my MySQL database. So db connect is a method which can be called, and it requires parameter. Please, MySQL parameter. MySQL is the first parameter, means this will be uh, this my constructor. So it means setting up environment for db connect, and then here you can give where you want to connect it. So I'll give host is localhost, and then use here database name. db name is a parameter. You can initialize db with your database name. I'll give here student, and then after this I will use user is as root, and then I will give here password for connection. Then after this I will give here password as root. So I have done. This statement is over. Now once this statement has over, then you can list out all the tables for this. So you have another method, db list tables of this database, and we have a mycon variable. So this will be listing all the tables. db list tables. Now once you have got this mycon tables listed, then after this you need to get the result of this data of the table. So result is, take a variable that is we will taking here result, and then after this you can send your queries. db send query to this database. db send query to this database, and what you will find here, you will be sending this query to mycon. We have sent this query to mycon, and now after once we have sent, then we can get this result in a data frame. uh, we can get this result in a data frame, but we did not specify here what is the query we need to specify. Select, I'll give here select star from, because as we know, with the help of db list tables, all the tables are available of this mycon connection. So here what I'll write, I'll connect to my stud table. So I'll be extracting all the record of stud table, and that will be saved to my result. And now once I have got that result, so now I can get the result in a data frame. So I'll write here data frame, and in the data frame what exactly I am looking for, I am looking for this result. So here I'll have to use a method fetch what result, and that will be fetched to data frame. And how many records? Say this time I have got I'll write 5 records. So records have been fetched to that one. Now, after once the result has been fetched with the fetch method to the data frame, now you can print your data frame. So print, then you can write here data dot frame. So records all the data will be printed. So now, once the program has been done, now you can save as. So you can sorry select it and you can run it. Just run it. So here it is saying that something. Let us go to the errors. Here error in DB connect, and then I'll just clear it. I'll run it, rerun it again. Run it and see here some errors are coming. So let us move it up. Saying could not find function DB connect. So what does that mean? That means you need to go to actually see this is your uh, are I mean MySQL functions, database functions, DB Connect. So for that one, you will have to install your package, MySQL package. So go to your packages. Yeah, it is here already. Go to install. In the install, what you need to type out here, you need to type out R MySQL. So you need to install this. And once you will do this, then install it, R MySQL. It is here. So it has come. What you need to R database interface ticket. You need this. So select it and select R MySQL as well. Now you have got both the both the packages here. Now go back to your program again and remove this, clear it, and go to here again, run it. Keep in mind that you as from the program point of view you have set everything. What you need to have your database here. So if you do not know this, you can open your MySQL first and then you need to create it. So I'll just although I have got that one, otherwise if you want to see, you can just go here to click here, go to your MySQL first, then only run it. So go to MySQL client, click on this and open with the root. It is opened. Show databases. I'm just confirming whether my database is there or not. So databases, and I have got that student database. So go to use student. I have got the database. Now show tables of this student table. Show tables. Here I have got stud table. So now let us check it out. What all data is there? Select start from stud and run it. So here we have got three records. One is 1007, 1009, Smith, Dave, Carey, and their marks have been given. Now the same thing we will be doing by our program. So just exit it and come out of this. Now go here. As we are already well set, because here we have in the DB Connect we have already given DB name, local host, everything has been given. User has been given root, password has also been given root. Then we are selecting all the records from the stud table with the help of DB send query. Then whatsoever we got in the result, that result data is being fetched to data frame and data frame is being printed. So now select it and run this program. You will get the answer. And here you can see all the records have been displayed here. So this way you can you can connect your any R program to your MySQL server. So MySQL server database. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.